Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with NatWest Premier Reward Black Card Review My Usage Experience. NatWest Premier Reward Black Card Review My Usage Experience offers a review of the NatWest Premier Reward Black Card, focusing on its features and benefits for high net worth individuals. It aims to help potential customers decide if this card aligns with their financial needs and lifestyle. Key features likely include travel insurance, airport lounge access, and rewards points on spending. Their website provides details on the card's specific benefits, fees, and eligibility requirements. The card positions itself as a premium offering, emphasizing exclusive perks and rewards. While specific pricing isn't readily available without application, the website likely highlights the annual fee and details on the rewards program. The application process and eligibility criteria are also clearly laid out. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using NatWest Premier Reward Black Card Review My Usage Experience. I've been a NatWest Premier customer for a few years now and recently upgraded to the Black Card. Getting started was straightforward, the application was online, and approval was relatively quick. The onboarding was simple, with clear instructions and a welcome package arriving within a week. I primarily used the card for travel, and the airport lounge access was a significant benefit. The rewards points accumulated steadily, and redeeming them for flights was easy through their online portal. The online portal itself is well designed and easy to navigate. I was particularly impressed by the detailed transaction history and the ability to set spending limits. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for managing rewards. You need to use the website. I had a quick question about international transaction fees, and their customer support responded within a day via email. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive travel insurance included with the card. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the NatWest Premier Reward Black Card, and the benefits easily outweigh the annual fee for my usage pattern. While it has a few quirks, like the absence of a mobile app, it generally met my needs. That's my overview of NatWest Premier Reward Black Card Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.